Hey guys, today's our topic is disjoint sets from design analysis and algorithms. So before proceeding into the topic, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Disjoint sets. So disjoint sets is nothing but let we have considered two sets S1 and S2 such that in these two sets we are not having any common elements between these two sets. Then these sets are called as disjoint sets. Two sets తీసుకుంటే S1 and S2 ఆ రెండింటి మధ్యలో కామన్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏముండదు. Then those two sets S1 and S2 are called as disjoint sets. That is represented as S1 intersection S2. So there is no common elements. That's why we have write pi. So on disjoint sets we can perform two operations. Those are simple union and simple find. So we'll see one by one. First one union, simple union. So union అంటే మనందరికీ తెలుసు. So S1 and S2. So S1 and S2, if we are doing the union of S1 and S2, how we are doing the union of S1 and S2? So S1 and S1 union S2 will give the result as all available elements of S1 and S2. S1 లో elements, S2 లో elements అన్ని combine చేసి will be representing as a result of S1 union S2. So to store these disjoint sets or while performing this simple union or simple find, we will use a tree data structure. We'll use a tree data structure. So in tree data structure we'll be having the root element, and child elements. And we have to take one element from these sets as a set representative element. That set representative element is called as a root element. So for example, union ఎలా represent చేస్తాం? Take an example of set 1 as 1, 2, 3 elements and set 2 as 4, 5 elements. So how to perform the union of these two sets? S1 union S2 will become combine all the elements of S1 and S2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will become the union. So how to perform the simple union? So we'll see the procedure now. First ఏం చేయాలి? Initially all the elements should be treated as a separate tree. For example, ఇదే అనుకుందాం. So 1, 2, 3 అనుకుందాం. So 1 will be written as 1 tree, 2 will be written as 1 tree and 3 will be written as 1 tree. So that is the first point. So all the elements should be treated as separate tree. So coming to the second point, parent node value P of I. So P of I. So that is P of I is nothing but parent node of I. So that root node, that set representative element, that P of I, the value will be always -1. Always root value will be taken as -1. And next we have to update all the unions of other child values of this considered root node. So we'll see with an example. So for example, the set values contains 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, 6 అనుకుందాం. So first step లో ఏమనుకున్నాం? First we have to treat each and every elements as a single tree, separate tree. So 1 as separate tree, 2 as separate, 4, 3, 5, 6. So first take the union of 1 and 2. The union of 1 and 2. So here 1 will become the root node and 2 will become the child node. So 1, 2. For example, take union of 4, 3. 4 will become the root node and 3 will become the child node. And also same 5 and 6, 5 root and 6. Now we will write the parent nodes of each and every subtrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the parent of parent node value of 1? Because it is a root node, so we have seen that we have to write -1. So that is -1. So what is the parent node of 2? What is the parent node of 2 here? 1. So you have to update 1 here. Next, what is the in 4 and 3, what is the root node? 4 is the root node. So that's why parent node value is -1. And what is the value of parent node value of 3? 3 parent value is 4. So we have to write here 4. And in 5 and 6, 5 is the root node. That's why we have written -1. And 6 is a child node of 5. Then the root node value is 5. So in next step, so combine 1, 2 and 4, 3. So 1 with 4. Combined union 1 with 4. So what will get 1 with 4? 1 root node and 4 root node are combined. So write as it is 1 and 2 and 4 and 3, and this will be attached to root node. Now we have to update the parent node status. So 1 is in overall this tree, 1 is a root node, so that's why it is -1. And 2 parent enti 1. So 2 parent is 1 and 4 parent is 1. Again we have to update here 1. In the last diagram only 4 and 3 is there, so 4 is the root node, so that's why it is -1. Now 4 is a child node of root node 1, so that's why 1. And next 3 root node enti 4, 3 root node 4. So now combining 1, 4 with this 5, 6, that means root node. So 1 with 5. So 5 is attached as a child node to 1. So again update. So 1 is the main root node, minus 5. 2 root node is 1. 4 root node is 1. 3 root node is 4. And 6 root node is 5. And 5 root node is 1. So this is the updated information. So this is how we calculate the simple find. So algorithm enti, in each and every step we are updating. So in each and every step we are updating the parent node value. So this will become the algorithm. Simple. P of j is equals to I. So this is what? A simple union operation. So how to find the time complexity? In each and every step we are performing only one operation. In each and every, for each and every set of union we are performing one union operation. One union operation. Here also one union, here also one union. So the time complexity will become big O of n. So coming to simple find operation. Simple find. Find ante enti? Finding an element. ఒక పర్టికులర్ ట్రీ ఆర్ సెట్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ సెట్లో మనకు కావాల్సిన ఎలిమెంట్ ఉందా లేదా ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు ఫైండ్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫైండింగ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఫౌండ్ దెన్ ఏం చేస్తుంది అని అంటే ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ ద సెట్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఎలిమెంట్. ఇఫ్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ ద ట్రీ దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ ద సెట్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్. సెట్ రిప్రజెంటేటివ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ రూట్ ఎలిమెంట్. సో మనం 4ని సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నాం అనుకోండి, 4 అనేది ఉంది అని అంటే ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు రిటర్న్ 1. సో అది రిటర్న్ చేయడానికి అల్గోరిథం ఏంటి? వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ I, వీఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ 4. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ద కండిషన్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద వైల్ లూప్. వైల్ parent node of I, parent node of this 4 is greater than or equals to 0. Then we have to return the root node. So ఆ root node ఏంటి అనేది మనం రిటర్న్ చేయాలి. సో P of I. సో అది అప్పటి వరకు లెస్ దెన్ అయ్యేంత వరకు. నెక్స్ట్ లెస్ దెన్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇట్ విల్ బ్యాక్ ఫ్రమ్ ద లూప్ అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ రిటర్న్ ద I వాల్యూ. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది ఒక ట్రీ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకుందాం. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. So 1 is the root element, that's why parent node value is -1. So 2 ki parent node is 1, 3 ki parent node is 1 and 4 ki parent node is 3. Now we are finding the element 4. The element 4. So 4 parent node value enti 3. So I is equals to 3. Again it will back. So 3 greater than or equals to 0. So again it will check for the condition. 3. So 3 value enti 1. Parent node of 3 enti 1. So 1 greater than or equals to 0. So that means I will become 1 now. Again it will go back. So 1 place lo emundi parent node value -1. Now -1 is greater than or equals to 0. Condition is not satisfied. So it will come out of the loop. It will return the I value. So what is the I value? I is equals to 1. So I is equals to 1 is nothing but the root value. The search is found and it is returning the root node, set representative. So this is nothing but a simple find operation. The simple find operation is depends on height. So backtrack చేస్తూ వెళ్తుంది ఎప్పటి వరకు మనకి రూట్ ఎలిమెంట్ రిటర్న్ అయ్యేంత వరకు. So simply it will depend on the height of the tree. So for each and every find operation it will uses the big O of n time complexity. So 4ని find out చేయడానికి it will use big O of n. For next root element. So up to main root element it will take for every single find operation big O of n. Then if we are having n root elements, then the overall time complexity will become big O of n square. So this is how to find the simple union and simple find operations on disjoint set.